Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how I paint this camper paint by line. This is one of my very favorite cutouts that we have, and it always turns out so cute. I'm going in right now with the color Cotton and a number 12 round. Not number 12 round, a number 12 flat, and base coat in the center section of my camper. I'm going in now with the color Peacock and that same brush. Next, I'll go in with putty to paint the third section on my camper. And the fun thing about this is that you could swap it out for whatever color you wanted to. I'm using purple, blues, and greens, but the steps and everything will still be the same no matter what colors you choose. I'm just using this Savannah Mist for my bumper and my door, and then I use Lucky Lavender in the Gulf, and then I'll finish off with Limeade for my flags. All the paint I use in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, and you can purchase the paint, brushes, and the cutout that I use all on buildacross.com. Going in now with just some black paint to paint my tire and my little window on my door. After I am done base coating everything, I'll allow everything plenty of time to dry completely, and then I will go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. So pretty much what I'm doing with this marker is just going over the lines that are already etched into the cutout for me. That makes this step so easy. There's no worrying about freehanding or really much thought you have to put into it. This Sharpie marker really does all that for you. If you wanted to go in with a paintbrush instead, I would recommend like a number 4 round. But this Sharpie marker to me is definitely the easiest option. Now I'm going to go in with that Sharpie marker and just write welcome on the side over here. And if you wanted to, you could swap welcome for your last name, and that would be super cute. And then I'm going to finish this cut off by going in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton. And I'm just going to highlight everything here and there. Highlighting just kind of finishes everything off, softens and brightens. And I will highlight the left side of all my banners, and I will highlight the left side of all of my lettering. And then I'll swap over to Savannah Mist and highlight a little bit on the white section of my camper. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.